Hi there, it's Helen here from Scentarama. Today I'm going to show you how to change the bulb on these pluggable wax warmers. So I have taken this out of the plug, and you need to let the wax cool or empty it out before obviously you do all of this, or otherwise it's going to be a real big mess everywhere. I've got videos on Instagram and Facebook showing you how to quickly change that wax out. I've just left mine in and hardened it because I've just not recently put wax in there, so it's still all good. So once it's hardened or you've cleaned it out, then what you can do is you pull off your ceramic section there, pop that to the side, and then you've got your bulb here, and as you can see there, it is all blown out. So these are like the old-fashioned Edison bulbs, so you'll usually see when the bulb's gone because the little wires inside will have broken or burnt away. So this is how the bulbs used to work, with the very thin filament across, and these are halogen bulbs, so they get really quite warm, and that's what heats the wax and distributes the home fragrance around the room. So the problem with these bulbs is you can't touch them with your fingers. This one's okay because I have it's gone, so we're going to be putting that into the bin. So I have my new light globe here, and basically I just open up the top very carefully, and I get a tissue and I just open the sections here, tip it out onto my tissue. It's going to be a bit, it's going to place, not going to come out. Let's see, oh, there we go. So once you've got it in there, then you can just quickly screw that in, making sure that you don't get your fingers on it. There we go. So it's just more about the fingers and getting anything on there. So once it's done, not too tight or you'll break the bulb, you can see again that the filaments are all in there ready to go, and then you can just put your ceramic section back onto there. So that's all done, so you can plug that back in, turn it on, and it should heat up. Now sometimes these little sections here at the bottom go as well, so you can purchase them as well from me. I go around to market, so I always have just a few of these and a few bulbs as well. You can also order online. I'm in the process of getting my website fully up because I'm on my own. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer, but you can always message me and I'll get it sent out to you and things like that. So anyway, that is the little pluggable warmers, really easy. The other bulbs are the same, you just need to not touch them and they screw in, but when I get one that blows, I will do that. So then just to get rid of it, I just pop it in there, and then you can pop it in the recycle. Everything's recyclable there. So that is that there. So just to let you know as well, we're on the what I call the Christmas run up now. It's sort of July coming on to August. I've got already looking at Christmas stuff myself, so I'll be doing videos of behind the scenes so you can see how I make my wax melts. And I've got some fairs and stuff coming up, or markets. So I've got Millie Markets in Midland, so I will be there with all my bits and pieces. And I also have Yanship as well soon, so they're all on my website. So if you're interested in markets or coming along or having a smell of all my products, I go there, so you can see of all the markets that I do. Basically I post on my website so you can see them throughout the year, but I will also be posting online more. I'm trying to sort of get more of an online presence and would love your support, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the like notification, and I'll be back in a few days with another video with some updates. Thanks for watching. Bye.